everyone, welcome to M&S Dhahran. I'm Maggie Sami, the lower primary coordinator and the Year 2 boys homeroom teacher.
I'm Adam in Year 3 boys.
And I'm Layla in Year 4 girls.
We're here to take you on a virtual tour in our wonderful school. So let's go and have a look inside. Our school has a diversity of cultures and backgrounds where we have 22 different nationalities. And as you can see, we always love to celebrate all our students with their different nationalities to give them a sense of belonging. Our building consists of EYFS, lower primary and upper primary, and we have many different classes and areas.
We'll start with our beautiful library where we're always encouraged to read. So here we are in our school library where it is a bright and open place for reading and quiet time.
It's a beautiful facility that all our students can use, and it's always open for students to pay a visit in our in-school sessions. Our multi-purpose hall is an open, modern and wide space that is being utilized for many different events and activities. We have our assemblies here, our weekly celebrations, drama, sports and acts, and most importantly, our physical education activities where we do many coordinating, obstacle challenges, football, basketball and many other sport activities that we do in this hall. This is our STEM room. We have added so many facilities to ensure that our students can explore, investigate, build and observe. Now here we are in the EYFS backyard, where students are encouraged to develop their social, emotional and motor skills through continuous provision. In EYFS, our activities are hands-on activities to promote active learning and develop independent young learners.
In this corridor we have our Year 1 classes. Let's go and have a look inside.
Our Year 1 is a transition phase between EYFS and lower primary, where our students continue doing their continuous provision in the white curriculum areas of the British curriculum. We are very keen for our safety precautions in COVID-19, and we know that each child has to use their own individual spaces by using their own tools and facilities.
In this corridor, we have Year 2, 3, and 4 boys.
This is our Year 2 boys classroom. In this room, students are also encouraged to work independently in different areas. We have our reading corner, our writing corner, and our math corner, where the students can choose from many different manipulatives and work creatively and independently on areas related to their curriculum. Now we're in the Year 5 girls classroom, which is one of the upper primary classes.
It's a beautiful and productive space to be in. Our students use many real-life examples and scenarios to help them learn actively and explore all areas of the curriculum. One of our very interesting spaces is our ICT Lab. Students don't just learn how to use a computer, but they also learn photo editing, scratch programming, coding, and even stop-motion animation. We do lots of research on a wide variety of topics that develop our students' creativity. Now let's go and see one of the Arabic rooms. Our Arabic classes are designed to give a sense of cultural belonging through Arabic displays for words and letters. We follow the Ministry of Education curriculum in a very creative and practical way that works really well with our online platform.
Our playground is a wide and beautiful space for our students to interact, play and socialise. We use it for our break times and also as a changeful setting if you want to take an activity outside. This is our school cafeteria. As you can see, in this white space, students are just not encouraged to have a lunch breaks here, but they also come here to explore some cooking and have some mixing activities. We hope you've enjoyed our virtual tour and have seen the great opportunities that we enjoy in our school life. We are really proud to be a newly developed school with amazing staff and students that shows in every activity and event that we hold. We would be delighted for you to come and have a proper visit so we can show you even more.
We are looking forward to meeting you in person.